Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Netflix. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.